This internship is great for anyone, not just for those who have an academic background, but also for those who want to work in conservation in general. One thing I've learned is that this field needs people with different skills. We need everyone to come together. So if you have any interest in conservation and you're not sure where to start, so it's a great way to get your foot in the door. I really enjoyed that. I was still a student when I started it. I really liked the combination of doing something practical and still studying.
I definitely recommend this to people. It's something that would genuinely make a difference. If anybody is motivated to do that, if they want to try and save wildlife, help local communities, then this is probably one of the best angles to take. I'm a very passionate believer in the role of digital marketing when it comes to conservation. I think that ecotourism in general is a very, very powerful tool in protecting the environment. So I've done 2 months now of remote work with this internship. In that time, I've learned a lot about how a large company manages all of the back end of their website. I've learned about how to manage so many different operators and projects all at once. There's a lot of skills and a lot of elements that are completely new to me, and I'm learning a lot from that. We have some very senior, very experienced people that just love what they do and are very passionate about conservation and providing these opportunities for customers in a way that helps protect the environment, helps benefit local communities. I'm very motivated by that aspect. Because it's where I want to end up, it's given me so much information and so much help on that journey. I've learned to operate more independently, to communicate with people and work in a new environment, in a new culture, in a new field, to be honest. Everything's new to me. Because of how people have taken care of me and how they're willing to share information with me, give me advice, I've learned so much about that and just about myself in general. A lot of life skills have come from that. I feel like a wiser, stronger person now.
And I do like in Malaysian Wildlife, you have a big selection of different projects. There is something for everyone. You have marine projects, sustainable farming, rescue centers, veterinary projects. You have even communication projects and urban wildlife. So there are so many things you can learn and so many people you can learn from. So I think this internship, it benefits anyone who is passionate about conservation and wants to make a difference. And with Malaysian Wildlife, it's great that you can also bring your own ideas. So if you have something you're really passionate about, you can suggest your own topics, and Malaysian Wildlife, they're very supportive of different ideas.